What are you doing, Maggie? Welcome back. It's episode 2 of our renovation / moving video. Bit strange doing a renovation when you're moving, but there is a whole backstory. We had mold in the cottage. It was remediated, removed. We moved out for a couple of weeks during that phase, and then we have since been renovating, and now the homestead on the property, so we live in the cottage behind us, the homestead on the property is available for us to move into on my dad's farm, so we're going to swap houses and somebody else will be renting this house. So we're trying to get it all finished before we move. We have maybe 3 weeks left. Last video I left you guys off with me painting the kitchen. I will show you an update of that. It looks a lot better now, thankfully. Maggie, stop digging holes. Between the dogs and the chickens, they keep digging holes in the yard. She's still young, so she's not that bad, but it's just she's looking for a bone right now. We only have to move not far. You can see the homestead from the cottage. It's over that way behind us. You might be able to see from here a bit of the roof. So it's not that far, but it still requires a lot of moving. We still need to pack everything up, put it all in boxes, and part of that is putting down the trampoline. So I've been doing that now. It's been a bit hard because of the wind and the way it blows. It's bent some of the poles, so pushing in the little pushy things, I don't know what you call them, has been quite hard. The plan with this is to take all the poles down, which I have done. I need to remove the rope, but it is covered with tiny little ants, also bull ants as well. Connor is currently renovating the laundry. I will show you a little update of that right now actually, because I'm almost done this and I need a little break and then I'll come back to this. So as you can see, it's still a big mess here at the moment. One of my good rugs has fallen off. I did wash that and it's blown off. Connor has been renovating, haven't you, Connor? All day? Trying to. Yeah, I've been grocery shopping this morning. He's been doing this. He has fitted some of the brackets in there. You've been trying to level it, haven't you?
Yeah, very difficult.
And you've done some of the electrics.
None on the walls, none on the floors, ceiling, nothing's even or level.
Yeah, so that's just part of an old cottage. Like I said before, it's an 1856-year-old cottage. So, yeah, that's where we're at with that. So I will show you an update of the kitchen very shortly, but for now I'm going to get back to doing this trampoline. time to show you guys a little update of the kitchen. Again, I'm very sorry about the lighting. I did mention that in the last video. It's sort of hard in this room to share everything because the lighting's a bit difficult when filming. Behind me, I have just painted in the last video the window frame, as well as the one over this side, which I'll show you in a moment. And I had a bit of drama because the walls are not level in this beautiful cottage. It's made from stone, and when you put the tape on to paint, it sort of bleeds through. So I was in a bit of a panic in the last video and didn't know if I could find the exact same matching paint. The people at the hardware accidentally stuffed up our color, so when we got that color we knew it was a once off. We don't know what they did with it, but they mixed too much of a certain part of the paint. I'm not really sure how it works, but we couldn't color match the paint to the exact same color. So I was very thankful I found the paint in the shed. There was a little left, and I was able to touch up the frames, which I'll show you in a moment. And then today I found a few little items to add to the kitchen. Dad walked in and sort of interrupted the videoing. But anyway, I purchased this cow glass chopping board today, as well as this cute little flower pot with the lavenders in. It's really cute. So that's going to go in my kitchen at the homestead. Also purchased this candle. This for the eggs. I did have one back in 2018 when we had our other farm before we moved to Canada, and I just like that it doesn't take so much space up on the countertop, because normally I have my egg cartons on there. And then I purchased some basil and I popped it in one of these pots, which is sort of hard to tell with the lighting, but it's green and I really like green, so as you can tell from the paint. So now we're going to go and have a shower and then go over to the main homestead and plan out our layout. I'm not going to take the camera for that though. Connor and I haven't been there together yet, so we want to work out where we're putting things. We know the trampoline is going to go sort of at the front, which is actually the back technically, but we call it the front because it is the front of the house. And we need to work out where we're putting all of our furniture and things. So see you guys soon.